Hey everybody, I guess the third time's a charm. I tried 3 times to do this video. Happy Mail! It's Happy Mail time! And my Happy Mail comes from Jamie's Crafty World, formerly known as Feisty Mom's Craft Room. Okay? So if you don't know who Jamie is, I'm going to link her channel below. Please show her some crafting love. That's it. Okay, I'm getting down to it. This Happy Mail comes from her because I won her 200 subby giveaway. I don't remember what it is. I'm just like so excited. And then I promised Jamie that I was going to send her some Disney paper. So I won her giveaway and I'm going to give her something too. I can't get the box open. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. How can they make boxes so hard to open? Son of a gun. It's because she taped it too. Hold on. It's coming. All right, there it is. Trying to do this before TJ and John come back in the house. Okay, I'm excited. Ooh. Well, I feel like there's 2 things in here. All right, box is empty. We're gonna start with the card. To Donna, powered by creativity. I can't even say my own channel's name. From Jamie's Crafty World, formerly Feisty Mom. I love watching Jamie's videos. She does a lot of chit-chat lives. This fell apart during wrapping and I didn't notice till everything was taped up. Whoops! That's okay. That's what makes it so much fun. Oh, look how cute she did that! Oh, I love it. Oh, and it's Velcroed. Oh, how stinking cute. Oh, look, she gave me some journaling cards. Oh, I like that. Oh, how beautiful. Jamie. Loving it. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it says, congratulations. Donna, thanks so much for supporting my channel, being a newbie and YouTuber, having such a supportive and kind subscriber, crafter like you means a lot. Sending some crafty mojo your way. Have a great day, Jamie. P.S. Your prize is wrapped in 2 parts, but stacks together. Okay. I do. I honestly, Jamie is part of Jan's Crazy Life, and Tina just changed her name, so I have to think about it. This is just, honestly, I don't remember what I got. Oh, you know what I find to be the coolest thing? She wrapped it in a newspaper from where she lives. And I love looking at newspaper stuff from other places. This looks like the TV. Oh, no. Look at me, I'm reading the newspaper. All right, I'm going. I can hear Shaw say, ribbit, ribbit. Oh, this is like one of these never, and I'm just throwing everything on the floor. What the heck? Oh, and how cute is this? She used other bags from other Happy Mail to wrap it. Oh, Jamie, you're so smart. Oh, look at that. Look at what she did. She used other packages. Wow. Okay, I'm going. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute they stack together. And inside each one is something. Oh my God. Cherish the moment. I am right now with all of you. This is very pretty tissue paper. In fact, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this tissue paper. Wait, not the Disney stuff. Hold on. Look, it matches. I'm telling you, this is like my new gig. Everything is like coming together, like it was meant to be. Oh my gosh. Jamie, this is so cute. Look at what she did. I got some glitter. I'm gonna put that in front of me. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty washi tape. Please go check out Jamie's channel. Show her some craft and love. Oh, this is, oh, that's so pretty. Treasure, bliss, laugh. These are stickers. Oh, and these are brads. Jamie, where'd you get these? Oh, those are adorable. Some more little brads. Pretty buttons from my friend the sewer. Oh, some sequins. These are pretty colors. Love these. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh. Some more sequins. Jamie, this is like so generous of you. Oh, that is really pretty. This is almost, I want to say a lace, but it's a ribbon. And she wrapped it on the card. Oh, wow. This is really cool. And then there's a beautiful yellow ribbon. Some bling, some flat back pearls. Oh, and dimensionals. Jamie, what a cute idea. These are very pretty. Okay, loving this. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna keep that one out. Saving this. Oh, this is adorable. Jamie. Laugh lots. I love to laugh a lot. Oh, look how nice that came off. Can I do it again? I did. Okay, sticking it right there. Oh, and I get to keep the paper. Oh, look at how beautiful all these are. Oh my gosh, look, can you all see? Oh, my dog's gonna start to bark, I'm sorry. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put them all in here because there's more. Oh, these are so pretty. I want to get to this. Make every day. This is so cute. I am saving these. I'm going to take a picture and put them on the Instagram to show you. Oh my gosh. These are absolutely stunning. Oh, there are cards in this future. And then she did another one. I'm going to open it from the opposite end. That's what I'm going to do. I'm actually ripping this now. Like, so excited. Did you bling these out? Oh, these are so pretty. Look at all the flowery stuff. Oh, my family's gonna come in and... All right, hold on. Give me 1 second. I found it. It's on Dad's computer screen. Jamie, this is absolutely gorgeous paper. Look at all this. It's foiled. Oh, look, and these are more paper. Hope. Wait, there's something behind that one. Peace. These were cards, weren't they? What a nifty idea. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, and these are blanks. All right, I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make something. That is so cool. All right, last one. That one says dream big. This was washi tape, wasn't it? Oh my God. Did you see what was in there? I saw what was in there. Jamie! Holy crow! Look at what she gave me. Oh my God! Look at this! Jamie, this is so... Oh, and she gave me material. Oh my God, I'm feeling so blessed. And she put the Disney stuff last. I'm telling you, we have the best friends in crafting. This is so stinking cute. I don't have this. I am loving this. In fact, let's open this. Jamie, I'm going to support you forever, my friend. Look at this. Look at that face. Like my granddaughter says, we love Mickey Mouse's chicas. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to hit my subscribe button, my bell button, and give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Look at how cute he is. And please go over and see, I'm going to show you the paper again. Where did it go? Please go see Jamie. I'm going to link her below. Her new name is Jamie's Crafty World. Jamie's Crafty is one word, and world is a space and then world. Please go see her. I promise we are a fun crafting community. And we make moments count. I'm loving this. Thank you so much. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I will see you real soon. Great day. Depends on when you watch this. All right, bye, everybody.